ऐसा क्या घमंड गोरी रंग दुनिया का गोरा है यार तेरे का पगली मुंबई में भी डोरा है जहाँ तेरी नजर ये जाते सारी मेरे फैन ए लादेन की खाट खड़ी कर गया ओबामा भी तो टैन है.
Hello guys, welcome to Traventures. Today we are going to Devkund Waterfall and right now we are at the base village called Bhira and from here the actual trek starts.
गव्हर्नमेंटचं डॅम आहे इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट टाटा पॉवरस तिथे जनरेशन तयार करते मुळशीवरून पाणी येते ते वेस्टेज पाणी तिथे आता आपण गव्हर्नमेंट वापर करते त्याचा इथून टेनेल आहेत 2 किलोमीटरपर्यंत तिथे 280 मेगावॉटचे 2 मशीनी आहेत त्याच्यावर 80 मेगावॉटचे पॉवर जनरेशन तयार होते ह्या पाण्यावर.
It's about 3 hours trek from the base village to Devkund Waterfall. It is advisable to hire a guide from the village during the trek as there is dense forest around and the route is quite confusing.
So as you walk in the backwaters of the dam of Bhira, you can also camp here on this flat ground with the help of the guide.
To reach Bhira from Mumbai, you have to take a train to Khopoli station and then a ST bus to Pali village and then another ST bus to Bhira village.
While walking on the trail of Devkund Waterfall, you will come across many small huts and shops. Locals here maintain the waterfall region clean and provide food and accommodation. Devkund is known for its flash flood during the monsoon season. That's why it is closed during that time. So one of the best time to visit here is either the end of September or the first week of October. Devkund Waterfall is the tributary to the main Kundalika river and it is also termed as the bathing pond of Kaur. Because of the V shape of the mountain, the sunlight is unable to reach to the valley. That's why the water is too cool. So guys, if you like our video,
Please like, share
and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon.